Keep your colors vibrant for longer. Welcome back, my fabulous subscribers, to another exciting episode of our channel. Today, I'm going to share some incredible tips and tricks to help you keep your clothes looking vibrant and fresh for longer. Did you know that a simple ingredient found in every kitchen, table salt, can work wonders for your laundry? Just add half a cup of table salt to your washing machine during the rinse cycle, and let the magic begin. The salt helps lock in the color, preventing it from bleeding and fading. The second method to combat color fading is to wash your colored clothes inside out. This way, the agitation and friction during the wash primarily affect the inner side of your garments, sparing the outer surface and protecting those vibrant colors. Always wash your vibrant garments separately from lighter or white-colored items. Use a gentle cycle and cold water when washing your colorful clothes to minimize fading caused by heat and aggressive washing. Last but not least, let's talk about drying. Whenever possible, skip the dryer and let your clothes air dry naturally. Not only will this preserve the color, but it will also minimize shrinkage and extend the life of your garments. Say goodbye to excessive heat and hello to preserving those fabulous colors. Do email or leave a comment under the video if it was helpful, and don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to get alerts when I post new videos. You can also share the link to help friends and colleagues.